Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the beginning of the new course that we are starting. So, in this course, we will discuss AWS Certified Developer Associate. This would contain it would also contain some of the videos that we have already seen on my channel, on my tutorials. That is the Identity and Access Management, EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, S3, like simple storage services. But the new things that we will see and work on in this course would be serverless computing, wherein we go deep into serverless theory, Lambda, API gateway. Then we'll build a sample serverless website with Route 53, API gateway, and Lambda. Then we'll see what is version controlling with Lambda. We'll also do a lab and where you will use Poly, AWS Poly to help, and we'll also work on AWS Alexa Skill Lab. We'll see step functions, X-ray, advanced API gateway, and then we'll work on DynamoDBs, wherein we'll see how to create our DynamoDB indexes deep dive. We'll work on scan versus query API call, DynamoDB provision throughput, DynamoDB on demand capacity, DynamoDB accelerator, which is also called as DAX, Elastic Cache, DynamoDB transactions, DynamoDB TTL, DynamoDB streams. We'll also see KMS and encryption on AWS. We'll see KMS API calls, KMS envelope encryption, and I'll also share some exam tips during the sessions. We'll see what an SQS is, simple notification service, what is the difference between SES and SNS. We'll do again the Elastic Beanstalk, wherein we'll deploy application using Elastic Beanstalk. We'll update Elastic Beanstalk. We'll see the integration of relational database storage and Elastic Beanstalk. We'll see systems manager parameter store. We'll also cover Kinesis. We'll do maker labs as well. Then I'll also try to cover the CI/CD part of it, code commit, code deploy lifecycle, code deploy lab, code pipeline. We'll use Elastic Container Service from AWS. We'll see what is the relation and how to configure Docker and code build. We'll see Docker and code build. We'll see CloudFormation, serverless application model, CloudFormation and SAM lab. SAM is the serverless application model. We'll see CloudFormation nested stacks. Then we'll cover some advanced topics in IAM, which is Identity Access Management. We'll see Web Identity Federation, Cognito User Pools, Cognito Lab. We'll see the policies, what are inline policies, managed policies, what are cross-account accesses, right? And then we'll enable CloudWatch, and I'll show you the differences between CloudWatch versus CloudTrail. I'll show you the CloudWatch lab as well. So these are the topics that we would majorly be covering, but I'll start with DynamoDB because most of the topics like EC2, S3, CloudTrail, CloudWatch, IAM, I've already created. So we'll start with DynamoDB, but we will also cover rest of the topics as well. So we'll starting with a little bit different and a little bit difficult topic, but I hope you guys will like it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.